In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Figma. By the end, you'll have a playable video sitting neatly inside your design, ready for handoff or prototyping. Start by opening the Figma file where you want the video to appear. Make sure you're on the correct page and inside the frame or artboard that will hold the video. It helps to think ahead about layout, so decide whether the video belongs on a phone, tablet, or desktop frame, as that will guide its size and placement. Next, open the plugins and widgets options. You can do this from the menu or by using the quick action search, which is a fast way to find tools without leaving your canvas. In the search bar, type Ampere. This plugin includes a utility specifically for embedding online videos. From the results, choose YouTube and Vimeo video. Running it will open a small panel with a field pre-filled with a sample link. That's just a placeholder to show you the expected format. Now switch to your browser, copy the full URL of the YouTube video you want to use, and come back to Figma. Replace the placeholder with your own URL. Standard YouTube links typically work best. For reliability, use the full watch URL or the share link, and make sure the video is publicly accessible or set to unlisted, since private videos may not load properly inside design tools. After you paste your link, the plugin will insert a video element on your canvas. This acts like a standard layer that you can move, align, and group. It's designed to play when you preview or present your prototype, so you can show interactions and narrative content directly in context. With the video selected, adjust the size of the frame to match your layout. Drag any corners handle to scale it, and hold Shift if you want to preserve the original proportions. Most YouTube videos use a 16:9 aspect ratio, so sizes like 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1080 will look correct. If you're designing for mobile, you can scale it down to fit within safe areas and use constraints so it stays pinned where you expect when frames resize. For clean alignment, use Figma's smart guides and the align and distribute tools. If your design calls for rounded corners or a drop shadow, add those styles to the frame so the video visually matches the rest of your UI. That's it. Open your prototype, click play, and confirm the video behaves as intended in context. You've added a YouTube video to Figma, kept it on brand, and set it up for a smooth presentation or user test.